Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll give you an update about the Sandbox Sand Ticker. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below, and I'll try to analyze that. Alright, let's start this by looking at the 4-hour chart of the Sandbox as usual. And remember guys, in the last video I talked about this falling channel and I told you that I am looking for a buying entry at around this box and looking for the pattern, and this channel box was broken to the upside here, and this is the line that I made yesterday, that if this line is broken at around 4.70 or this swing high, then I'll be entering a long position. And if you guys paid attention in the yesterday video and entered somewhere here at the breakout, then you would have gained a nice 12% gain so far with 1:1 leverage. And if you did it with the leverage, then you can do the maths yourself. Alright, we were watching this support level, this box yesterday, and I told you that this is the level of support here, as you can see. And on the 4-hour chart, this head and shoulder reversal pattern completed its price prediction here, and we were watching for the buying entry. And right now the price is trading at around 5.20 level. As you can see, we are now trading at the resistance on the 4-hour time frame. So if you guys took a long position here, then it is wise to take some profit here, because if you go to the Bitcoin chart, let me give you some perspective on the Bitcoin as well. And you can see on the daily chart, we are making a lower lows and lower highs on the Bitcoin daily chart, and we have kind of broken this neckline of this head and shoulder that we are watching for a very long time. If you can see, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. This is the neckline, and neckline is broken to the downside, and it is retesting the back of this neckline. And right now we are trading at the resistance of this back of the neckline and this band that we are facing here right now at around 44 and 44.5k level. So be careful guys, if we see a dump in the Bitcoin from here or from here like 46k, then we can also see a dump in the Sandbox pair as well. So be very careful guys here. This looks like an impulsive wave. It can also go much higher and deep into the box at around $5.6 level, then it can retrace. So right now you can take a profit somewhere here at the current price or at this box range somewhere here, and then you can wait for the retest entry somewhere around this level. Let me plot a level here like this at around 4.80 level, and that would be a nice head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern here. As you can see, this is the left shoulder, this would be the head, and this would be the right shoulder, and somewhere here will be a neckline, and we can target the highs. So if you guys want to take a long or short entry on the Sandbox, you can do that on the BYBIT exchange. If you sign up through my link, you will get $4,500 bonuses there. So sign up through my link on the BYBIT account, deposit money there, start to trade, and claim your $4,500 bonuses. So the takeaway is, watch out for the Bitcoin price and that resistance level at around 44k, and if we see a rejection from the Bitcoin at that level, then we might see a rejection in this coin as well, and back to these lows, and where you can find a new entry, and then you will be making a nice gain from here all the way to the top at around 5.80 level with leverage, and hopefully you will make money. Alright, I hope you guys like this quick video analysis. If you liked it, please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.